Well, the project I want to work on is still covered in snow and ice. So, yeah, I need to wait. Welcome back to the journey, folks. So, yeah, obviously, we are still, covered with snow and ice, like a lot of other folks. But as you can see right here, the ice and snow is already melting, along with our temperatures are going to be even up into the mid 70s this week, which is just crazy. So, Poxitani Phil, I don't know what you're talking about there, man, but yeah, I don't think we're going to be having 6 more weeks or whatever it is of winter. I think spring's going to be coming around rather quickly this time of year. So, but obviously, I do know that this time of year also, there's going to be a lot of ebbing and flowing. You're going to have more of the high pressure, low pressures. I don't know what that was. Coming through, right? So you're going to be warm like we are this week. Going to be warm, and then you're going to have those cold fronts come through, and then it's going to be cold again, right? So is there a chance that we'll get more snow this year before spring actually hits? I don't know. Maybe. Never know. Right? But, oh, I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. I learned my lesson yesterday. I fell down twice yesterday. One of those was actually over here by the pond. It actually slid out onto the pond. And I'm just thankful that where I did it, and during that time, that there was no water, and that the ice on the pond was thick enough to support my weight, and that I did not get wet. But I'm going to come over here very carefully. I'm not going to go any further because I'm not going to repeat that again. But let me turn you around. So it's still pretty thick ice, but it is starting to get now a layer of water on the top, sitting on top of that ice because of the temperature. And then over here, so I don't know if you can kind of see the little bushes down here by the side. So just on the other side of that, so you have this little tiny tree here, and then some more trees over here. So once I got basically past those pines, just a little bit past those pines, the second pine is whenever I had slipped. So, because we talked about this too over on our Scuttlebutt channel. For the TV viewers, I'll link that here on the channel or on the screen. You can always scan that with your phone. They'll take you directly to the channel and be able to see what I was talking about. But it does terrace, right? So it kind of comes up and then it flattens out a little bit and then it goes back up again, right? Well, this little terrace area is not very flat over there, especially in the shade where it's nice thick ice. So right now it is starting to melt, right? So it's getting to be more snowy, slushy instead of the hard packed ice, but not over there. It was still really, really slick. And yeah, I ended up, feet came out from underneath me. I went sliding down the hill out onto the pond. So not fun. So I'm gonna actually walk around this way. So as of right now, until most of this is gone, right, a lot of the projects that I need to do is out here outside. I do need to prep some wood, prep some timbers, which one of the trees that I have felled already last year is already over in that area, and I need to get in there, and I don't know, I might do it like where it sits, or I might cut it and pull it out with the tractor and kind of get it set up like where I'd want it to be, and then process that. So I'm going to be free cutting or hand cutting with a chainsaw some timbers out of that cedar tree, because I don't have a mill. I would love to have a sawmill, but it's just not in the budget just yet. And I also have a lot more wood over here that is ready to be, cut up and stuff. But I mean, obviously this stuff here is more for like fencing or just other stuff for small animals. And then just whatever, most of that in there is cedar. And then some of the bigger stuff that I was saving for whenever I can get a sawmill. But until then, and I know I can always get like one of those Alaskan sawmills for the chainsaw, but I think I just go, low and slow, and just do everything by hand for right now. And actually, I had already did that. I'd already did that with a gate project, and I thought it turned out all right for that very top board on the gate. So what have we been doing? Well, a whole lot of nothing really. But we did get out here yesterday and had burned. So our big burn pile actually went down pretty good. I just wanted to come out here and make sure most of it went down. But I'm just going to continue coming back, through here and grabbing stuff, throwing it back into the center, right? Getting it all back down, because you're always going to have stuff, obviously there's going to be big stuff like this that I'll have to get with the tractor, but anything I can grab by hand right now, I'll come through here and grab and just continue to throw it back into center. Man, this actually did really, really good. But even though this thing was so hot, right, that, I mean, we could feel it even sitting over back there, it still didn't even melt all this snow and ice. Even stuff right here next to it. So, yeah, I don't know. Everyone's always like, chemtrails or this or that. That's not really ice. It's something else. Well, I don't know. I don't normally get into the conspiracy theory stuff, but hey, you never know. Never know. No, normally, ice is going to melt whenever it gets hot. At least it should. And I'm here to show you that it didn't at all. So that's another big stump. I mean, it burned up okay, but it definitely could have done better, I think. Anyway, I'll be able to get over here and grab it with the tractor, because I think it's full of a lot of mud. That's why I didn't really burn up all the way. But I'm just going to continue coming through here, grabbing stuff. Oh, that's a big one to do by hand. Yep, that's what I'm going to be doing. Try not to inhale it. Plus I got more stuff here. I got more stuff back yonder I can grab. I think there's even more stuff, because we did another one up front too. But more stumps. I have another stump over there. More stumps over there. More stuff I can grab over there that the tractor doesn't really like picking up. But yeah, that's what we're continuing to do. Just clear land. It's winter time, and spring's going to be coming really, really soon. And this week, we're even going to be having the false spring temperatures. Yeah, the smoke got back in and got me. So yeah, we're gonna be getting out here. This is the time to do it, because if you wait until spring hits and all this stuff starts getting repopulated with plant matter and all that good nonsense, even this, right, I can get in here with the tractor and get all this cut down. That just try to get it cleared out. Or I can even get in here with a mower, just try to clear it out the best we can. But I also need the snow to go away. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that. We're also gonna be taking care of some stuff up here in the front, trying to do another paddock area. So that's all stuff we can get cleared out. I got more I can grab over here with the tractor. I'm just gonna start grabbing some stuff, and we're still continuing to burn. We're still continuing to clear land. Cause that's the best time to do it, is during the winter, especially right before spring. So all right, y'all, well, we're gonna continue doing the videos the best we can. I know as of right now, the whole Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule has not really been happening because of the weather. And I think as of right now that if we can bring at least one video a week to y'all, I'll be happy with that. But it is what it is, right? We're going to try to do at least one video a week, and then more if we can. So we still come to you every Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, over on the Scuttlebutt. So if you really want to be able to see or hear us talk, right, that's really all that channel is for, is talking like this, right? But I wanted to kind of bring you back on here as well, because I'm trying to go away from the talking head videos like this on this channel and just doing more project related. But I'm also going to talk because I like talking. Yeah, so even doing the project videos. But we'll be bringing you back when we're ready to do our next project. But I also need all this to go away. And it's making a mess. It's really making a mess. Yep. Good old Arkansas mud. We just got so much clay around here. It doesn't go nowhere. All right, y'all. This one's going to be short and sweet. That's all I got for you. So with that being said, if you'd like to stick around a little bit further on this journey we call life, check out the video that the YouTube recommends that you watch. I'll also throw up a playlist icons up here at the top, make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel if you're on a phone or tablet, computer. And then yeah, with that being said, get out there and thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, friends.